Right, so I've got these Sony WF-1000XM6 earbuds, and I'm going to show you how to pair them with your iPhone and, of course, set up with the app, the complete setup. So I've just taken this out of the box. So what you need to do is simply open up this lid of the case. Okay, so you want to hold it like this. The Type-C port is at the back of the case, so you want to open them up like this next to your iPhone, and then they should go into Bluetooth pairing mode. Now, if they don't immediately go into Bluetooth pairing mode, then you can put them in pairing mode by long pressing on this button at the back. Okay, so you want to press and hold that button for a couple of seconds until you see the light at the front of the case flashing blue. Okay, so once you see that blue light pulsating or blinking like that, it means they're in pairing mode. So you want to go to your iPhone's settings. Under settings, go to Bluetooth. Then under Bluetooth, you should see just go down to where it's searching for devices to pair to. So once they get detected, just tap on them and they should get connected. Simple as that. Now it's going to prompt you that the app is not installed. To get the app, you simply need to go to the Apple App Store and search for Sound Connect. It's the official app by Sony to use your earbuds. So find that app, make sure it's up to date, and then launch it. And then as you can see, it's already detected my XM6s. It says, why don't you commute with your favorite music? I can just close that, and then you can see my XM6 have been detected. And then I can now tap on next, and then it's going to prompt me to try out ambient sound controls based on actions. I can do all this later, so I'm just going to select that and then go to my device, and there are my WF-1000XM6 headphones with all the features I can take advantage of with the app. Okay, so that's the full setup guide for your Sony WF-1000XM6 earbuds with your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.